If you initially set up your WordPress website to use your root domain like example.com, but you would like to switch to using a subdomain like www.example.com, it is possible to do so. You could have any reason for doing this, but for the purposes of this video, we're assuming that you want to use the CNAME method to configure QUIC.cloud CDN. These are the steps we will follow. First, if you already have your root domain added to QUIC.cloud, we'll remove it. Then, we'll update the domain in the WordPress admin. Then, we'll connect your site to QUIC.cloud again, this time with the subdomain. At the end, we'll show you a few optional steps that you might want to take if your site is well established and has many internal and external links to preserve. Remove root domain from QUIC.cloud. If example.com without the www is already added to QUIC.cloud, you will need to disable the CDN and remove the domain. If not, you can skip this step. From your QUIC.cloud dashboard, choose example.com from the domain list and navigate to CDN, then CDN config, then QUIC.cloud CDN. Click the Disable CDN link. Navigate to Settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom and click the Delete Domain link. When the dialog box pops up, confirm that you wish to delete the domain. Change the domain in WordPress admin. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Settings, then General, and set both WordPress address URL and site address URL to the subdomain. Click the Save Changes button. Hover over the Lightspeed icon in the admin bar and click Purge All to purge Lightspeed cache. Add subdomain to QUIC.cloud. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Lightspeed cache, then General, and request a new domain key by pressing Refresh Domain Key. Note that if this is your first time generating a domain key, the button will say Request Domain Key. Wait a few minutes for the domain key to be generated, refresh the page, and press the Link to QUIC.cloud button. At this point, your URL is now officially www.example.com on your WordPress blog, and it is connected to your QUIC.cloud account. Here are some optional steps. Redirect old links. If external websites link to your domain, in order to avoid broken links, you may wish to redirect all incoming example.com requests to www.example.com. If so, you can add some rewrite rules to the top of your .htaccess file. See the description for a link to the rules that you can copy and paste. Be sure to replace example.com with your own domain name. Search and replace old links. If you want to avoid excessive redirects from internal links, you can search for all instances of the root domain in your site's posts and pages, and replace them with the subdomain. There are plugins available to help you with this task, but please use extreme caution. Unless you know exactly what you're doing, it's possible to render your site completely unusable with this kind of plugin. Ask an admin or developer to help you, or at the very least, back up your site before you proceed. Now that you've successfully changed your site's URL from the root domain to a subdomain, you're ready to set up QUIC.cloud CDN's DNS using the CNAME method. You can see the links in the description for more information. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.